Hi there, welcome to New Shoes on the Table. I know it's been a while since my last upload, but this is going to be a special one. So here we have some trainers, sneakers that were bought from the shop Future, which is based in the Commons in Calabasas. And the uniqueness about this store is supposedly, apparently, they have a direct relationship with the brands such as Nike to get unique products, unique items that you wouldn't usually find in other stores. So yeah, let's check it out. We'll take it out of the bag and see what we've got. Yeah, so a snazzy box, as you can see. So inside we've got the Nike Air Max 1 86 OG in Earth, LT, Lemon Twist, Oil Green, Tear, Citron CLR in a size 12. So yeah, snazzy box with a nice design. Probably one of the better boxes that I've opened in a long time. So yeah, let's open it up and see what we've got. Okay, so yes, we've got a nice camouflage design with a breathable, with holes in, breathable material, green laces, Nike Air, and then a different embroidery on the back. If you can see, I'll bring it a bit closer. We've got Nike in letters and then the tick on the other shoe. But yeah, the soles with the Nike Air inside. And then a bubble, of course, iconic to the Air Max, and the soles, well, a bit of a kind of waffle style on the top, then goes down to more of like a tire tread. Yeah, so a bit different for me. I know I've just declared that I liked more of a simpler look, but I just thought I'd go for something different with the camo style, and I'm looking forward to wearing these. Air Max. I originally got into the Air Max 90 with one of my previous videos with the Terrascape, so this is going to be new for me with the Air Max 1, so I'll let you know how they are comfort-wise, but overall, I think they'd be really good with any kind of look, with a tracksuit, or something along this colour scheme, with like a beige going down to this camo style. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to wearing them, and I think they're really cool for $160. A unique shoe, a unique promo Air Max, I guess you could call it, but ultimately, a nice looking trainer, which I'm looking forward to wearing. So thank you to Feature, shout out to them, and yeah, thank you very much for watching this review of New Shoes on the Table, and yeah, I'll keep uploading, and thank you very much for the engagement, and I'll catch you later. Cheers, thank you.